welcome to my channel, and here I'm going to show you how to construct an involute of a pentagon. A pentagon is a five-sided polygon, so we are going to look at how we are to construct an involute of a pentagon. So what we need to do first is to construct the pentagon. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. I'm going to use the length of side 20 millimeters for the pentagon. So I need to take the measurement of 20 millimeters on this line. I don't want it to be too big, so this is 20 millimeters from here to here. This is 20 millimeters. So the next that I'm going to do is that the exterior angle of a pentagon is 72 degrees. So I'm going to call this point, I'm going to call it point A. So this is point A. So, and I'll call this point, I'll call it point B here, as you can see. So I'm going to construct the exterior angle of a pentagon, which is 72 degrees. So I'll just take from this point on this side here. So I'll just take 72 degrees. So this is 72 degrees here. This is 72, and on this side from point B here, I will also take 72 degrees to this side. So this is 72 degrees. As you can see here. So what I need to do next is that I'm going to draw a line. So looking at the 2 points, so I'll draw a line like this, and coming here also I will draw a line. So from this point I will draw a line in this direction following this point here. So I'll draw a line like this. So I just need it to be short. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters on this side also. So I'll take 20 millimeters from point B up. So this is 20 millimeters, and also from point A up I will take 20 millimeters. Okay, so this is 20 millimeters. So I'm going to call this point, so this is point C, and this is point D here. Okay, so this is point D. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to set my protractor at this point, okay. Then I'm going to take 72 degree. So on this side, so this is 72 degree. 1, 2, so this is 72 degree, and I will set it here also, and at point C, and I will take 72 degree. Okay, so this is 70 and this is 72 degrees. So what I need to do now is that I'm going to draw a line from this point. So looking at the other point that I marked there, so draw a line like this, and at this point also, so I will also draw a line. So in this direction. So this is the pentagon, as you can see here. So we have constructed the pentagon. So okay, so all right, so I'm trying to make it to look more to be more feasible. Alright, so this is the pentagon. So this point I will call it point E. So this is point E. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to extend these lines on the pentagon. So this point B here, I'm going to extend this line. So I'm going to extend it to this side like this, and this point A, so I will extend it like this. Okay, and this point D here, I will extend this line in this direction. Okay, so this point E, so I will extend this line in this direction. Okay, and point C, I will extend this line so it goes in this direction. Alright, so we have all the points extended. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to take my compass. So I put at point A here, and I will extend it to point B. So then I'm going to draw sorry, I need to change this line. Okay, alright, so so putting the main point of my compass at A, so I will extend it to B. Then I'm going to draw an arc like this. Okay, so draw an arc like this. Then I'll put at point D here, and I will extend it. So this point that we have gotten here, so this is, I will call it point P. So point PA. So point PA. So extending it to this point PA here. Extending it to point PA. So I'm going to draw an arc. So draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc like this. So this point is point PD. So point PD. Okay, then I'll put it at this point E here and extend it to PD here. Okay, then I will draw an arc. So I draw an arc here. So this is point PE. Okay, so then I'll put it at this point C here. Put it at point C, extending it to PE. Then I will draw an arc like this. Okay, so this point I will call it point PC. So this is PC. Then I'll put at point B, putting at point B here, and extend it to PC. Okay. I need to take it easy here. So extending it to PC. Then I will draw an arc. Okay. Alright, so this point is PB. So this is point PB. Alright, so this is an involute of a pentagon. As you can see, it is as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice, you become a master at this. And mind you, distance BPB is equal to the circumference of this pentagon. Circumference of the pentagon will be 100 millimeters, as each side is 20 millimeters. So if I take the measurement, so there is it. If I take the measurement, so this is 100 millimeters, as you can see here. It's as simple as I've done it here. When you practice, you become a master at it. Thank you, and God bless you.